Why your WhatsApp account banned? Creating fake accounts or impersonating someone else on WhatsApp will lead to an account ban, as WhatsApp aims to prevent deceptive activities. Using unauthorized third-party WhatsApp applications like WhatsApp FM, GB WhatsApp or WhatsApp Ultra is against WhatsApp's rules and can result in your account being banned. WhatsApp is actively trying to remove these unofficial cloning apps from their system. Regularly sending messages or broadcast messages to many contacts whose numbers are not saved in your phone can be seen as suspicious activity. Leading WhatsApp to ban your account, it's advisable to save numbers of people you frequently communicate with. While broadcast lists are allowed, frequently sending an excessive number of broadcast messages can violate users' privacy expectations on the platform and may lead to a ban. If a significant number of your contacts block your WhatsApp account, WhatsApp may perceive you as a spammer or someone violating user experience, which can result in your account being banned. Sharing suspicious links, especially those containing malware or phishing attempts, can lead to your account being banned. Users should be cautious and investigate links before sharing them. Continuously copying and pasting the same messages and sending them repeatedly can be flagged as automated or spam-like behavior by WhatsApp, potentially leading to an account ban. WhatsApp monitors user activity on its platform. If your account exhibits patterns or actions deemed highly suspicious by their monitoring systems, it may result in your account being blocked or banned. After banned account that says, "This account can no longer use WhatsApp, and I have appealed in one time." Then no response from WhatsApp team. Again I try to log in WhatsApp account. After that no option appeal, and here says that register new number. So if you want to appeal again, then first take screenshots. Then go to mobile phone home screen and open Play Store. And go to search bar. Here type WhatsApp. Then open WhatsApp Messenger. Scroll down. Click on App Support. Here are some options. Click on Email. After that, here, type "This account can no longer use WhatsApp," and then explain your situation briefly. For example, "We have completed your review and found this account's activity did not follow WhatsApp's terms of service. Please review my account and remove the restriction if possible. I will ensure full compliance moving forward. I attached this appeal and description you can copy from the description." After that click on here and attach problem screenshot. Now send this appeal. After that go to back and click on 3 dot, which is top left. Then go to unread box and open new received mail from the WhatsApp. Here is some provided links. Open first link, which says please contact us in our app by opening this link. After that click on here, select own country. Then enter WhatsApp ban number. Next. After that here describe your problem shortly with WhatsApp ban number and mail, and attach problem screenshot. Next. Send email to WhatsApp support. Confirm from Gmail app. And send this appeal. Now wait a few hours to several days. WhatsApp team will send you notification of verify account in WhatsApp app, then you can open. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.